Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm pointing about the reasons why your spouse doesn't trust you. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe. Click on the notifications bell that every time I post a video you get notified. Do not forget to visit noraarake.com. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1, you keep way too many secrets. You are a person who is always fidgeting with secrets. So it makes your spouse start to assume things. It makes them not trust you. Number 2, you hang around with friends and people who are weird, who can't be trusted. Take an example of your children. If you see them hanging around with people you can't trust, with people who are weird, with friends who are weird, who can't be trusted, how do you feel? Same thing your spouse is feeling. When you hang around with people who can't be trusted, your spouse can't trust you as well. Number 3, you have a history of lying. This puts your integrity in question. Your spouse doesn't trust you because you are a liar. You have a history of lying. Number 4, you become very agitated and defensive when you are confronted with a simple question, a question of yes or no. Why are you acting guilty? Are you guilty of something? This makes your spouse not trust you. Number 5, you have suddenly changed. You are not the person you used to be. You are not the warm spouse you used to be around your spouse. So, is your warmth being directed to someone else? This is why your spouse doesn't trust you anymore. You do things you never used to do. You change your phone password. You hide your emails and your laptop. You are acting weird, you are acting strange. You have suddenly changed. Number 6, listen. When you are married, you are accountable to your spouse. Now, do you know what you do? You come home very late without saying where you have been, without informing your spouse prior that you will be running late. Your spouse doesn't trust you because of that. Number 7, your money trail is very suspicious. Who are you spending your money on? What is it with you always don't have money yet you work so hard, yet you earn the money? Where is your money going? Number 8, you are so protective of your phone. Every app in your phone has a passcode, has an eye scan, has a fingerprint to it. What are you hiding? You move with your phone everywhere. You shake every time your spouse comes near your phone. You are always glued tight on your phone. What are you hiding? That's why your spouse doesn't trust you. Next, you ignore the support systems of your marriage. Your idol couple, your parents, your in-laws, your pastors and reverends, you ignore them all. Why are you isolating yourself? Are you doing something fishy? Number 10, you tiptoe out of your bed at night and you head out. You go to the toilet, you go maybe to the living room, or you go outside. What are you tiptoeing to do? Are you flirting with someone on the phone? What are you doing tiptoeing at night? That's why your spouse doesn't trust you. Number 11, of late you have closed out your spouse, shut your spouse out of your business, out of your work, out of your life, out of everything you do. You're doing it solo. Why are you doing that? Are you no longer husband and wife? Number 12, of late you have changed the way you look. You care so much about your looks than you care about your spouse. You dress to impress, you dress to shine, you shop more, you do everything in your power to look nice. Are you doing it to impress someone else? Why is it that it has suddenly happened now? Why not before? 13. Suddenly, you are no longer interested in your spouse sexually. You struggle to erect, you struggle to get weight. Why are you like this? Why are you suddenly like this? Why not before? Why now? Are you interested in another person? Number 14. You come home dressed differently from how you left. You come home smelling differently from how you left. How come you have a different scent? How come you come home smelling a different perfume? These are the reasons why your spouse doesn't trust you. Number 15. Maybe your spouse has trust issues. Maybe your spouse has been hurt before, has been lied to before, and her heart or his heart was broken before. Now, a slight change in your behavior, a slight change in whatever you do, makes your spouse relive the past, makes them feel like they can't trust you as well because you've suddenly started acting like what the other person did. That could be a reason why your spouse doesn't trust you. By breaking and hampering trust in your relationship, you are destroying your marriage. So, do not get angry when your spouse doesn't trust you. Instead, make sure your spouse does. Be an open book. When your spouse asks a question, answer it. Don't dodge it around, because when you keep trust locked in your marriage, you will have a happy, long-lasting marriage. Just do things which make your spouse trust you, and then you will live happily ever after. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82. Instagram is @Nora. Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. Thank you, I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.